What's up guys, this is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and as you can see down below, I do have the new Samsung Galaxy Fold 4, Z Fold 4, and this is my first foldable phone ever. I primarily use the iPhone, and I said, you know what, I think it's time for something new. Now, I'm not going to be like these other YouTubers that was going to switch and then switch back and all that stuff, but I do want to test this out. Either way is the best of both worlds. I do have the Samsung S22 Ultra, but I will be trading this in because of this, later on for the offer. But I wanted to try something new, a new form factor, something that stands out and is not a regular bar phone. So this is again the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, 512 gigabytes, I believe. Let me go ahead and see that. Yes, it is 512 gigabytes, and that's what I like about Samsung too. I don't know what's behind this, but apparently they're making enough money to where they bump you up to 512 for free. And I wish Apple can do stuff like that, but unfortunately they don't. But let's quickly get to the unboxing here. So simple unboxing. You have your phone right up front. Nothing on the top here. Let's go ahead and pull this out and set this to the side. And it seems, yep. Not like everybody else, they seem to be, oh, never mind. I was about to say, so there has to be something in here. So let's see what we have in here. I know we don't have any charging adapter here because they did away with that. We have the start guide. Let's see what else. And our USB-C cable. And I guess again, other companies have done away with the charging brick thanks to Apple. They like to follow when it comes to that. SIM card ejector, and that's basically it. Let's go ahead and put this all away and get to the main product here. So as you can see here, very nice design. I got the I did get the gray green model. That's the name of the color. Kind of strange, but whatever. Let's go ahead and pull this off. Very excited to have my first folding phone. That's one thing I give props to Samsung, is their innovation and to stand out from the rest of the competition. So, first impression, very thin. Nice little weight to it. You have your 3 cameras here. So you have your 3 cameras, you have your 50, 10, and 12 megapixel. And then you have a 4 megapixel camera in the front. With the way this phone is set up, it's better to take the selfie via this because you're able to fold the phone and do it that way, so that's a plus. But 4 megapixel, there's nothing to worry about. It does have I believe a 44 milliamp battery, 4400 milliamp battery, which is pretty hefty, and I've heard good things about the battery life, so I'm going to be testing that out as well. Let's see what we else have here. Just go ahead and fold this for the first time. Yes, the quality is very good. I love it. Hear that? They've definitely improved over the years, especially from the first one. Love that. You have your speaker grill up top. Your mics, you have multiple mics all over the place here. At the bottom, you have your USB-C connection there. You have your speaker at the bottom as well. On the side, you have your SIM card tray, your volume up and down, and your fingerprint scanner and on button. And like I said, this is pretty good. This is very. I'm a as a YouTuber, or as probably any YouTuber out there, you love to watch YouTube videos, and I think this is one of the best mobile devices to watch YouTube videos on, especially when you're traveling and whatnot. So this is going to be a very good device for me. Then you have your front screen, beautiful front screen as well. Setting that off to the side just momentarily, I did get the standing cover with pen for the the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So I'm gonna do an unboxing later on this, but for now, let's go ahead and power this baby on. So there we go, we got the Samsung logo. I really can't wait to test this out. Like I said, this is my first foldable phone. Different, and I love different. Sometimes you just get, sick of the old phone designs and stuff like that. You want something that stands out, and this definitely does that. As well as the Flip Z Fold as well. Let's go ahead and start. I'm just gonna do a quick, setup here. Agree. And go ahead and add it to my network. No peeking, guys. Searching for eSIM mobile plans. I think I might have to skip over this. So no SIM card. Skip that. Skip. Checking for updates. I don't know if it has the latest update, but we're going to see here. Out of the box with 66% battery. Okay, copy and paste data. So this is what I'm going to do here. Use your old device. Yes. Update smart setup, downloading update. And this is why I have my S22 here for this. Okay, Galaxy wirelessly. I don't know if I should have just done hardwire. Let me see if I can go back. See cable. So we're gonna do it the old school way here, since it should be faster. Let's go ahead and pull this off. There we go. Let's plug this in. Boom. And boom. I'm looking at this self-charging, which is another thing I love about these phones, self-charging. So, okay, connecting data. Let me see. I must probably have to unlock this. Okay. There you go. Continue. Allow. And let's see how this goes. 10%. If this takes a while, guys, I won't bore you. I will, do the magic editing and, fast forward this for you guys. So, that was quick. Okay, everything. Okay, so yeah, I thought it was pretty quick, but let's do everything. It says 15 minutes. Again, 15 minutes for me, probably 5 seconds for you guys. I'm going to keep the screen on. So I want to ask for the fingerprint scan again. Let's go through all of that. So while that's transferring, I'm going to set this up. I'm going to do fingerprint scanner for now. Let's try pin. spin, the pin is set up. Open your phone to continue adding fingerprint. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So remember guys, fingerprint scanner on the side, not under the screen like the S22 Ultra. I'm gonna get it from all angles.
What we do here is go back.
I'm almost there. And there we have it. So I'm gonna skip this for now. Agree. Hitting phone ready. As you can see here, it's still transferring. And also having my phone charged at the same time. Samsung services. Agree. Taking care of your phone. Next. Finished. There you go. Beautiful wallpaper. I'm going to change that up later. But so far so good. And it has my profile already set up. Yep, so far I'm liking it. So yeah guys, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of this transfer. Let's see, transferring, yep, it's at 21%, 14 minutes left. But yes, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down. Will you be getting the Galaxy Fold 4? Or will you be waiting for Apple to come out with their version of foldables, which seems to be like 5-6 years from now. I don't know what they're waiting for, but Samsung is blowing it out of the water. They're leading the way with this, and I commend them for that. So yeah guys, this is just a quick unboxing and setup video. Any other videos you want to see, comment down below. Subscribe if you like. Peace out.